Hey there, quick question for you. Do your trading monitors feel slower than grandma trying to check her portfolio with her flip phone? If yes, chances are you're still stuck on a basic 60 Hz screen while your fellow traders are crushing it with a 240 Hz display. But don't panic. Today we're going to break down every single type of refresh rate monitor, and I'll explain it all in the easiest way possible for traders who want a competitive edge. But before we go any further, let's quickly define what refresh rate actually means. Refresh rate is how many times per second your monitor redraws the image on the screen. It's measured in Hertz, or Hz. So a 60 Hz monitor refreshes the image 60 times every second. A 144 Hz monitor refreshes it 144 times per second, and so on. The higher the refresh rate, the smoother motion looks and the faster your screen can visibly respond to price movement, scrolling, and Windows changes. Let's start with the dinosaur of refresh rates, 60 Hz. For decades, 60 Hz has been the standard. Office monitors, laptops, basic setups, all stuck at 60 Hz. And for things like checking emails, browsing news, or scrolling through market research, it's totally fine. But once you start serious day trading, you'll notice it's not quite as responsive as you need. Price movements look choppy, chart scrolling feels laggy, and that sluggish feeling when moving between windows. Yeah, that's what 60 Hz does to traders. Next up, we've got 120 Hz. This refresh rate has become popular for gaming console users, but for traders, it's where things start getting interesting. Most modern trading platforms can easily hit 120 frames per second, which means you actually get to see smoother, clearer price movements without that annoying lag. A 120 Hz monitor is like getting your first taste of professional trading smoothness. And once you switch from 60 Hz, you'll notice how clean and responsive your charts feel. The best part, 120 Hz monitors aren't expensive anymore, and you can grab one for not much more than a standard 60 Hz screen. And the visual upgrade for trading is night and day. Now let's talk about 144 Hz. This is where serious traders start to separate themselves from the amateurs. 144 Hz is the perfect balance between performance and affordability, and most modern computers can handle it easily. Traders love 144 Hz monitors because it's a massive jump in smoothness compared to 60 Hz. Order execution, chart analysis, multiple window management, everything feels faster and more responsive. Even your platform animations will look like they're gliding instead of stuttering. It's the sweet spot for active day trading, scalping, and high-frequency strategies. You'll feel like your reaction time got upgraded. Not because you're faster, but because your screen is keeping up with lightning-fast market movements. In short, if you're a trader on a budget or you're upgrading from 60 Hz, 144 Hz is absolutely essential. It's the sweet spot. Now right here, I got to tell you something that can change your game. If you want to maximize everything from your trading computer setup, including the perfect monitor configuration, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It covers everything from refresh rates to processing power specifically designed for traders. That link is in the description below. All right, let's step up our game with 165 Hz. And that's what you get when manufacturers said, what if we overclock 144 Hz just a bit and market it as a premium? And it worked because it sounds more professional. 165 Hz gives you that extra edge and smoothness. By the way, if you want to check your monitor's refresh rate, simply open a browser and type testufo.com/refresh rate with no space. This will give you your refresh rate on that monitor instantly. Now things start getting serious. 240 Hz. This is where your monitor stops just being a display and starts becoming a professional trading weapon. 240 Hz is a gold standard for professional day traders and scalpers. Fast-moving markets, cryptocurrency trading, forex scalping, and options trading feel unbelievably smooth at 240 Hz. Of course, the catch is your computer's graphics card needs to be able to push 240 frames per second consistently. If you're running heavy charting software with tons of indicators at maximum settings, you'll need a serious video card upgrade, like an NVIDIA RTX 5060 or higher. All right, folks, buckle up because this is where things get insane for gaming, but a complete overkill for trading. 360 Hz monitors are what happens when engineers say, let's see how far we can push reality. At 360 hertz, your display refreshes 6 times faster than a 60 hertz monitor. That's absolutely crazy smooth. So whether you're running a basic 60 hertz or a lightning fast screen, the goal is the same: maximizing your trading performance. For most active traders, 144 hertz to 240 hertz is the absolute sweet spot, and it won't break the bank. Remember to grab my complete guide to trading computers for all the technical details about buying the perfect trading setup. That link's in the description. And if you're ready to upgrade to the latest technology for serious trading, we've got an awesome machine on sale right now. Click the link below and check it out. And hey, WTF? How come you're not on my subscription list? Go ahead and slam that subscribe button for more trading technology insights. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see what is the best computer for trading that money can buy right now, watch this video. And as always, may the trend be with you.